Ready to power your entire life, whether you're off the grid or at home? Meet the FOSSiBOT F2400 power station, a portable powerhouse that can handle your camping gear, emergency needs, and work tools all at once. This isn't just a battery, it's a beast. With the massive 2400 watt output and a 2048 watt hour battery, it gives you the freedom to power anything, anywhere. Plus, with the solar charging capabilities and 16 different ports, you'll never be left in the dark. I'm going to put the F2400 to the test. Let's see what it can really do. All right, let's see what's inside. First up, the FOSSiBOT F2400 itself, which feels incredibly solid. You also find this great 200 watt foldable solar panel, which is a huge bonus. Everything you need to get started is here. The AC cable and car charging cables, plus a user manual to walk you through it. It's a complete system designed for real-world use. This even has the main AC outlet plug here. And then this is how you open and unwrap the solar panel. So there's 4 panels in one, and it's very long, and it even has these handles on the side. So it's very portable, and when you're done with it, you just fold it back, and it's very easy to put away, and the handle is very sturdy. And it even has that little pocket there. Taking a closer look at the unit, you can see it's built to last. When it comes to connectivity, FOSSiBOT didn't hold back. We have 6 AC outlets, which is more than enough for most of your gear. Plus, you got a variety of ports for every kind of device. Fast USB-C and USB-A ports, DC outlets, and even a dedicated car port. And despite its substantial weight, those sturdy handles make it a lot easier to carry. To really test this thing, I plugged in a bunch of stuff at once. My jigsaw, a drill, a bug zapper, and even my laptop. The F2400 handled it all perfectly. With its 2400 watt of continuous power and a 4800 watt peak surge, you can run virtually anything you need. It gives you true peace of mind whether you're working on a project or facing an emergency. So you can see right here how I have my 4 items plugged in, and this thing is a workhorse. I even have my phone charging, I'm charging my laptop, and this thing is not letting up. So this thing powers all these: bug zapper, my drill, the handle. I can even rest my laptop on the top, and you can see how it's only using the 96 watts of power here. One of my favorite features is the included 200 watt solar panel. Just set it up outside and you're tapping into clean, renewable energy. Another cool feature with the solar panel is inside the pocket here. So you can see here inside, you could charge 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port, and even a DC port right there also. So this is very convenient if you have just a solar panel and you just want to charge a device using the solar panel. So I'm hooking up the solar panel cord to charge the power station, and then I'm gonna open up the panels and put it into the direct sunlight. So I'm just setting up the panel, and then on the back it has little legs, so you could put it at the perfect angle, so that way it gets the maximum sunlight. So I'm setting that up right now. You can see it's very easy to do. And next I'm going to attach the cables to the solar panel. Let me move this closer so that way I'm not stretching it. And then it's very convenient cord. You just plug it in and it snaps into place very easy. You connect the red wire to the red and the black to the black. And you can see here now the panel is charging. What really blew me away is the AC charging speed. You can go from empty to full in just 1.5 hours. Think about that. A 2048 watt hour battery charged in the time it takes to watch a movie. That's seriously impressive. Taking a closer look at the screen is super intuitive. You can see your power draw in real time, your remaining battery, and even the temperature. It's the kind of information you want and need. And even though it's a powerhouse, the F2400 is designed for portability. Those integrated handles make a big difference when you're moving it around. This is where the F2400 truly proves its value. Whether you're on a camping trip powering your portable fridge, or you need to keep your home essentials running during a blackout, this unit has you covered. It's perfect for a remote workstation, for a backyard party, or as a reliable backup for your most critical devices. So you can see here, I have my Bluetooth speaker hooked up, and it's drawing about 1600 watts of power. So this is nothing for this portable station. I have my hot plate, my fan running. I'm even fixing my YouTube channel right here. So this is a great power station to have in those emergency situations where you've got to work and use your appliances at the same time and listen to your music and keep yourself nice and cool during the summer heats. No one wants a loud fan, and thankfully the F2400 keeps it down. The fan noise is minimal even when it's working hard. It's a testament to the smart thermal design inside that keeps the unit cool and quiet, so you can use it indoors without a headache. Finally, a feature that's often overlooked but incredibly handy, a built-in LED light bar. It's bright enough to light up a tent or a small room during an emergency, and you can switch between different brightness levels or a flashing strobe mode. It's one of those practical touches that really shows FOSSiBOT's thought of everything. And there you have it. The FOSSiBOT F2400 isn't just a power station, it's a game changer. It's the ultimate solution for anyone who needs reliable, portable power for camping, emergencies, or just getting off the grid. If you're ready to take control of your power, I put the link in the description with the latest deals and more information. Got questions about the F2400? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.